So guys, here we have our default cube. Let's select the cube, tap to edit mode. Let's go to wireframe view so that we can see everything clearly. Now press on A to select everything. Now normally for scale we use the shortcut key S. Now move your mouse. It seems like it's scaling in all axes. As you can see, X, Y and Z. Suppose we want to scale it only on Z axis. For that, press on S, then to scale only on Z axis, press on Z. Now this will only scale the object only on Z axis. Now move the mouse, see, only on Z axis. Let's undo. Now suppose we want to scale it only on Y and X axis. We don't want to scale it on Z axis. For that, press on S. Now we need to lock the Z axis. How to lock? Shift plus Z. Now the Z axis is locked. Now if we move our mouse, the object will scale only on Y and X axis, as you can see. Let's do it one more time. Suppose you want to scale it only on X axis, press on S, then press on X to scale only on X axis. Now move the mouse. Now suppose we want to scale it on Y and Z axis. For that, press on S to scale. Then we need to lock the X axis. Shift plus X. Now the X axis is locked. Now move the mouse. See, it's only scaling on Z axis and the Y axis. So guys, that's how easily we can scale something only on a specific axis. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.